Hey everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about best car insurance in Germany. So if you are confused to choose a car insurance, then this video can certainly guide you through that. So the very first thing is going to be the cost most direct, and it offers value for money than traditional car insurance companies by focusing on low prices as well. In reality, many German tests demonstrated that super price performance ratio. You may save up to 40% on cost of the item. Then we have DA Direct, which is another plan for the direct. If you have a bit less amount of budget, then we have AXA. This is one of the biggest insurers in Germany and Europe for your automobile. AXA provide a good, valuable, comprehensive coverage. By adding the services you want, you may build your own insurance plan. And then we have Hook 24. This is one of the insurance plan which is not on any comparison site, and you will also not find it in any other blogs, because we would suggest compare their calculator with others. You will surprise for sure. But this is basically unlisted. This is like a gem. You can go with this and check if this is going to be fitting you the best, that you can opt for that. So why not? I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.